this video I am creating for you only, means just to get an idea of you that how the whole flow is working now. Okay, so as you can see, this is the first home page. So this link I sent you before. Okay, so this is the first home page where user will see. Okay, so then the existing user can click here login, and they have to log in with Facebook and it will log in. So for new user, you can also see here this, if I click here, it's the menu opened. Okay, so this is only for the front end. So for new user, they can click here get instant access. So they have to put their email address, they have to put their restaurant name. Okay, so I am putting here my email ID, and here I am putting the restaurant name. So I am just putting Cafe Zone, the restaurant name. So then I have to click here continue. So after that, you can see is going to the second page where user have to log in with Facebook and they have to allow the manage pages permission. Okay, so manage pages permission, you can see here. Look, this is the application we are using. This is the application we created from Facebook developer section. Cafe app we named it. Okay, so here yesterday only we have approved this manage pages permission. It is not by default activated by Facebook. So that's why we have to activate it by starting a submission. We have to create the video and all those things. After that, we have submitted yesterday and today they have approved it. So manage pages permissions can be accessible by any user now. Okay, so you can see here. So after in the instant access, when they are putting the email ID and the restaurant name, so this second page came. So now here they have to log in with Facebook. So I'm clicking here. So first, as you can see, is Cafe app is asking for normal permission. So I'm clicking here continue. Then you can see here that is asking for manage pages permission. So manage your page. Cafe app would like to manage your page. So I will tell you why we need this, because we need this to select the page via Facebook API. Then that application means this application will be installed to their selected page. Okay, so I'm clicking here OK. So means I'm allowing the manage pages permission. So after that, you can see it came here to the members area. Okay, so you can see here Cafe app members area, it came. So I am just doing the logout. So if I log out, so as I already signed up, so I have to click here login. Then I have to click here login with Facebook. So automatically I will be in the members area. Okay, so now here you can see settings tab. Settings tab is what? This is the first name, last name, and this is the email address. First name and last name we have taken when user allowed the Facebook permission. So we are getting the normal profile details. So this is the first name and last name we get from users Facebook profile, and this email address we get like when first time you are signing up, you are putting your email ID and the restaurant name. So this is the email ID. So if you want, you can change this email ID later on and then click on save changes. Second, you can see here restaurant basic info. So restaurant basic info means here is the opening hours, whatever is there. Then here is the restaurant basic info. Okay, so what I'm doing here, look, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So then if I click here, these are two text box. This is for opening hour and the closing hour. Okay, so if I click here, this time bar is coming. So here you can set like 10 a.m. starting, ending 5. 17 means 5, it's a 24 hours duration, 5 p.m. So same thing I'm doing for Tuesday, 10 5. Same thing I am doing for Wednesday, 10, 5. For Thursday I am just changing it like starting from 11 and like starting from 11 and it will close at like at 7 o'clock night. Friday also I am just putting a time starting 10 o'clock ending at 5 o'clock. Saturday also I am like doing starting from 9 ending at 6 p.m. Sunday also I am doing the same starting from 10 and ending at 8 p.m. So after that I just have to click here save changes. So as you can see I clicked here save changes. Now these are saved. So if you want to change it again the hours, you just have to click here, change it, done, save changes. That's it for the opening hours. Then below is here the restaurant basic info. So here is the restaurant name that I already put when I am signing up, Cafe Zone. Phone number I am just putting any 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Country I am putting like India, city, Bangalore, postal code, street name like okay, so putting it now. So these are the things that you can put it here and then click here again save changes. So I have restaurant basic information updated successfully. So basic information also updated. So if I am clicking here again restaurant basic info, so you can see all details which I have done is saved. All are saved here. Now I am showing you the menu setup. In menu setup is like you have to create a menu category first. So either like pizza or pasta, anything. So I'm clicking here add new category. So I'm doing here pasta. Browse. You can put an image of the menu category. You don't have to put on the items, but the menu category you can put it. So I'm clicking here download. Means where I have the picture actually. So let's hold on, it's coming. Here is the picture. Now I'm clicking here save. So you can see new menu category created successfully. Menu category name pasta, image is here. So you can also delete this category or you can edit the info. So either you can do anything you want actually. Okay. So you can add as many categories you want from here. Add new category, menu category. Okay. So then as the category created, here you can see items. So I'm clicking here. In items you can add the actual items of that particular menu. So for pasta there is some other is there. So I am taking some from here that I created before. So clicking here menu, items pasta. I'm just editing it. So I'm just copying this. Okay, add new item for pasta. I'm just doing here. Here I'm doing seafood description and item description and item price. I am just giving here 15. That's it. Save. So as you can see, new menu item created successfully. If you want to add more, you can add more. Okay, so I'm clicking here. I'm just putting here a test item. Description also I'm putting test desk and price I can just put in 5. So you can see price. So 2 items created on this pasta menu category. If you want to go back, you go back. Add new category, you can do it. So items, these 2 you can add it. You can also delete or edit this category. Okay, these items. So the menu setup is simple is that only like this you can add the menu. Now you can see here this is the received orders. Okay, so received orders is not yet happened anything, so there is no received orders. So you can see here publish to Facebook page. Okay, so publish to Facebook page, if I click on it, you can see here this section is telling Facebook app installation. Select page and submit. So as we have allowed like as I have allowed the manage pages permission at start, so here through API I am getting all the pages where I am admin. So you can see here select page is a drop down here. You can see here these 3 pages I am admin. Okay, so now here I am clicking this means this Facebook page I will install it. This Facebook page I will install it, so it will come here in the left side. Okay, so I am doing here, I am selecting the page strategy and then just clicking here submit query. So as you can see it's telling page tab installed successfully. So this page it will install. So I am just refreshing the page. Okay, the page is loading now, Facebook page. This page I have just created before, just to just a test one. Okay, so you can see here if I click on see more, okay, you can see up to this, these are Facebook by default tabs, and here look, a new tab installed is called order now. So if I click here order now, you can see this one created. Okay, so this is the menu, this is the info. You can see whatever I have given here, restaurant under restaurant basic info, opening hours, restaurant basic info, all things came here. Opening hours, restaurant address, restaurant name, phone number, all the things it came here. This is for the info part. Cart, this cart is empty, so user can put their personal full details, then they can place order after selecting the menu. So if I am clicking on menu here, you can see here these 2 items we have added, right? So if I go to menu setup, pasta, menu category, under that 2. Okay, so here also you can see 2, 15.5 price. So okay, and this is the restaurant name. Okay, so now if I click any of this, you can see here a pop-up like this is opening. So if I just type here extra salt and this is special instruction like the example link I sent me before. So this is the name of the item, this is the description, and this is the price. So here you can quantity, you can increase it like this. Click on plus, it will increase. Click on minus, it will decrease. So minimum is the quantity 1, it will not increase more. So if I click on plus like this, so it's happening plus minus. Okay, so I am just trying to order 2 quantity of $15 item, this one. So I am clicking here add to cart. After that you can see here previously this cart here was 0 number item, now it's showing 1 as I have already added. So if I want to add more, I am clicking here test item. I am doing here 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I am clicking here add to cart. You can see here 2 items added. So if I click here, you can see here quantity 2 spaghetti $30. So this is actually $15 item, so this is the subtotal $30. This one quantity 5 with $5 is $25. Okay, so here is showing the total $55. So now I just have to fill up this one, then phone number. Okay, so then I just have to click here place order. So you can see showing here thank you for your order, we will get back to you shortly. Okay, so I'm just, this is the successful message, so I'm closing it. So as you can see here this cart is showing empty again, here is showing 0, so you can order more. Okay, so now let me just show you, clicking here the received orders. Okay, as you can see this is the received orders that I just applied, $55 total. Okay, so listing orders, this is under received orders. If I click here received orders, you can see here, so name, email address, phone number all came here. This is the name, email address means this name, email address, phone number, this 3 are coming. Total is showing order date 27 September. Now if I want to check the items of what you have ordered actually. So you have to click here, view full order. So if I click here, view full order, you can see showing the whole thing. You ordered first name, email address, phone number, order total. Here you can see it's showing item, test item 5, quantity 5, spaghetti 15, quantity 2, and special instruction I have given there salt. So it's came here, subtotal 25, subtotal 30, 15 into 2 30. Total is showing 55. So this is the order page.